In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ExpressVPN on your laptop. Using ExpressVPN on a Windows or Mac laptop helps protect your internet traffic by sending it through an encrypted tunnel. That means your activity is better shielded from public Wi-Fi snooping, network monitoring, and your internet provider. The setup is quick, and once it's done, connecting in the future is even easier. First, open your web browser and go to the ExpressVPN sign in page. Sign in to your account using your account credentials. After that, you may be asked to complete a verification step using a temporary 6-digit code sent to your email. Enter that code and continue until you reach your ExpressVPN dashboard. Once you're inside the dashboard, find the section called Set Up Your Devices. In that area, you'll see your activation code. Copy this alphanumeric code and keep the browser tab open for now because you'll use that code in the app shortly. Next, download the correct laptop app directly from your dashboard. Choose Download for Windows if you're using a Windows laptop, or Download for Mac if you're on Mac OS. This makes sure you get the version designed for your system. When the file finishes downloading, open your Downloads folder and run the installer. On Windows, this will usually be an .exe file, and on Mac, it will typically be a .pkg installer. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. During this process, the app may install network components needed for the VPN connection, so allow it to finish without interrupting it. After installation, open the ExpressVPN app from your desktop, dock, or applications menu. When the sign in screen appears, choose the option to sign in with an activation code. Paste the code you copied earlier into the field, then continue. This links the app to your account without requiring you to enter your main password every time. Now you're ready to choose a server. In the main app window, you can leave it on Smart Location if you want the fastest recommended option automatically. If you want a specific country or city, click the 3 dots next to the current location. Then browse through the recommended or all locations list and select the server you want. Once your location is set, return to the main screen and click the large power button. Wait a few seconds for the app to connect. When the interface changes to a solid green protected status, your VPN tunnel is active and your laptop traffic is secured. As a final check, open a new private or incognito browser window and visit ExpressVPN's IP check page. Confirm that the displayed IP address and location match the server you selected, and make sure your normal provider details are hidden. Once that looks correct, your VPN connection is